You can use AI to create a template directly from an English description at LL Builder. For example, if you type list customer information and aggregate data with a chart, AI will understand your expectations and generate a template with the necessary UI components. You can easily connect to databases such as MySQL and more. By describing your demands in English, AI automatically generates SQL queries for you in seconds. Simply click the Run button to obtain the query for your database. With just a few clicks, you can connect your data sources with the UI components. In this case, you can use different UI components, such as tables, charts, and more to display your data.